Package dimensions, 6.604 x 13.97 liters x 21.843 w, centimeters. LED indicators for voltage protection and overload protection. Package weight, 0.45 pounds. Country of origin, China. Samlex Solar features RV power products including solar panels and kits, charge controllers, inverters/chargers, DC/AC power inverters, battery chargers, transfer switches, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Order this too. Most inverters and controllers have really small or poorly lit displays to keep costs down. Totally worth the extra money. Alarm is loud. Whenever power production is low, it will get you attenion. Make sure you have more than adequate power storage.